G'day. Well, this is a bit of a strange one. Yesterday, I was complaining about being kind of abandoned by this company, Source.co, for their zero mass water hydro panels. But actually, they reached out to me, not surprisingly, and they pointed out that I basically was the recipient of one of their very, very early, I think Gen 1 or Gen 2 versions of the system, which actually did have some problems. So they fessed up. They had some problems, hence they tried to fix them. But they kind of didn't realize what I do here, that I'm actually a demonstration center, a testing facility. I promote a lot of products by talking about what they do. So bless them, they said, well, we'll fix the things, we'll replace them with our latest generation of hydro panels. And look, I'm sure they're going to work really well because they've been working at it. Like with many companies, the early day tech can be problematic, but it's the putting right that counts. Any of you Kiwis out there might remember LV Martin and Son and their tagline, it's the putting right that counts. Well, that's what Source have done. It's the putting right that counts. And I'll let you know how we go. Cool. Thanks for watching. Check ya.